Morning, sir.
Hello, sir. Good morning, sir. Good morning. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. Okay, sir.
हो गया कि नहीं था? किसको कुछ करें?
కరెక్ట్ ఏదో అది చేసుకోవట్లేదు డాక్యుమెంట్ అయితే నేనేం పెట్టినా కానీ అన్నీ ఒకటి కదా. ఏమవుతున్నాయి వస్తలేదు. ఇట్లా ఇక్కడికి వస్తున్నాయి అక్కడ ఏదైనా కరెక్ట్ వస్తుంది మళ్ళీ. ఇదనే ఉంది. ఒకటే
अरे चार्जिंग ఉంది సార్.
రాశ గిద్ద ఎందుకంటే పెద్దగా ఫోటో రాసిన ఫోటో అయితే కింద ఉంటుంది. Today we discuss about addition and subtraction of and screen is sharing. No, sir. Loading, sir. Sir, actually. Sir. Three sub problems are there. First one is A row is 2, second row is 4, 7, and B equals to 0, 0 is so find. No, I struggling, sir. So what is addition? So what is not clear? Sir, sir. Signal problem. Okay, network problem, Nana. So find A plus B. Right. See, first of all, we have to write in the solution given matrices we have to write. First we write given matrices. So what are that? A equals to 2, 3, 4, 7 and B equals to 1, 0, 2, 4. Now we have to find A plus B. For that I am writing A plus B equals to, right, what is the A matrix? 2, 3, 4, 7, take plus and what is the B matrix you have to write? 1, 0, 2, 4. Right. So in addition of matrices, we have to add corresponding elements in both the matrix. We have to add corresponding elements in both the matrices. So in the first matrix, the first element is 2. The second matrix, first element is 1. These two are the corresponding elements in both the matrices. Then we have to add these. In between the matrices, we have the plus is there. So take plus. In between the elements. So 2 plus 1. Okay. The second element is 0. 3 plus 0. 4 plus 2. And 7 plus 4. 2 plus 1 is 3. And 3 plus 0 is 3. 4 plus 2 is 6. 7 plus 4 is 11. So it is the addition of matrices. Okay. Next, the second problem is what? A equals to 9, 1, 4, 3 and B equals to 1, 5, 6, 7. Find A plus B. Anybody tell me what is A plus B value?
Sir, 10, 6, 10, minus 4.
Yes, sir.
It is not minus, Nana. It is 7
Minus,
plus
not
7.
minus. Plus 4.
ఓకే అయితే బ్యాక్ సైడ్ రైటింగ్ అనేది ఇక్కడ మనకి కనబడుతుంది అంతే. అది 1, 5, 6, 7 ఓన్లీ. అదే అదే బ్యాక్ సైడ్ మనకి ఇవన్నీ బ్యాక్ సైడ్ ఇవన్నీ మనకి ఇక్కడ కనబడుతుంది అంతే. ఓకేనా? రైట్. సో 1, 5, 6, 7 that is. So what is the answer now? 10,
10, 6, 10, 11.
10. 3 plus 7 కదా.
10.
How to get 11? 9 plus 1, 1 plus 5, 4 plus 6, 3 plus 7. 10, 6, 10, 10. That is the answer. Okay. Next one. A equals to 2, 3, 4, 7 and B equals to 1, 0, 2, 4. Find A minus B here. Okay. So in this case, A minus B equals to, we have to write A minus B equals to, take A matrix, that is 2, 3, 4, 7. Take minus and B matrix is 1, 0, 2, 4. Okay. Now answer is
1, 3, 2,
corresponding
3.
elements.
1, 3, 2, 3.
Right?
1, 3, 2, 3.
2 minus 1.
Sir, 1, 2, 3.
Okay. Okay. Good. Okay. 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 So in first matrix 2 is there. Write 2 as it is. So in between minus is there. So write minus. Here take 1 కాబట్టి 1. Okay, 2 minus 1. Next element is 3 minus 0. Next 4 minus 2. Between the matrices, what is the operation is there? We have to write that. Plus or minus. Okay.
7 minus
So 4 minus 2. Next 7 minus 4.
Minus 4.
Right. So 2 minus 1 is what here?
2.
1. 3 minus 0 is
3.
4 minus 2 is
2.
7 minus 4 is 3.
3.
Okay.
1, 3, 2, 3.
1, 3.
1, 3, 2, 3.
2, 3.
3.
Completed. See next. Second problem. If A equals to 2, 4, 3, 2. Sorry, 2, 4, 3, 2 and B equals to 1, 3 minus 2, 5 it is. In B matrix it is minus 2 now. Okay, minus 2, 3. 2, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, minus 2, 5. Then find A plus B and A minus B. Both you can find. Adding and subtracting. What is the answer for A plus B?
3, 7.
3, 7.
3, 7, 1, 7.
1, 7. Good. 3, 7, 1, 7.
1 7.
1, 7.
So first element is 2 plus 1. Corresponding elements. 2 and 4 plus 3. Here minus 2. Add చేస్తున్నాం 3 minus 2 ఏమవుతుంది 1 అవుతుంది 2 7. Right. Next A minus B. Tell me the answer for A minus B.
1, 1.
2
1, 5, 3.
1 minus 3 is 1 5
3. 5 minus 3.
1 1 1 minus 3
1
1, 1, 5 minus 3.
1 1
minus 3
Minus 3.
yes
1 1 5 minus 3.
5 minus 3. Yes.
5 ప్లస్ ఎవరైతే 1 చెప్తారో వాళ్ళు రాంగ్ అంట రైట్ సి ఫర్ దిస్ A minus B equals 2. A is 2 4 3 2 minus B is 1 3 minus 2 take corresponding elements 2 minus 1
2 minus 1.
2 minus 1
minus
2 minus
2
1.
minus 1 is there 1 next
1.
4
4 minus 4.
4 minus
Minus 3. Minus 3.
3 ఇక్కడ చూడండి 3 ఈ మైనస్ ఈ మైనస్ చేస్తే ఏమవుతుంది
3 plus 3 plus 2.
minus 2.
Plus 2. 3 plus 2. 2 minus 5. Minus 2 minus 5.
2 minus 1 is 1 4 minus 3 is 1
1.
3 plus 3 is
5.
5 minus 5
Minus 3.
okay that is the answer 1 1 5 minus 3 is the answer
5 minus 3.
right addition and subtraction is easy but we have to add or subtract corresponding elements only okay right see here 3 4 5 6 are there for each block A minus B that is for you okay
sir.
Okay, sir.
right next అన్ని 2 by 2 matrices ఫస్ట్ మనం యాడ్ చేయాలన్నా సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేయాలన్నా చెక్ చేయాల్సిన కండిషన్ ఏంటి బోత్ మ్యాట్రిసెస్ హ్యావింగ్ ద సేమ్ ఆర్డర్ ఆర్ నాట్ ఫస్ట్ థింగ్ అది చెక్ చేయాలి ఇది 2 by 2 ఇది కూడా 2 by 2 సేమ్ ఆర్డర్ కాబట్టి we have to add or subtract ఓకే నెక్స్ట్ సి నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం if A equals to 0 4 3 2 and B equals to 1 0 3 minus 1 then find 2A plus 3B addition undi addition kante before emundi A is multiplied with a scalar 2 B is multiplied with a scalar 3 okay then add both right so first of all write the given matrices 0 4 3 2 1 0 3 minus 1 then we have to find 2A plus 3B. Before that, we have to individually find 2A and 3B first of all. Right. What is 2A? 2A means 2 into A. That is 2 into matrix A. 2 into matrix A2. A matrix multiplied with a scalar is equal to what? The scalar element is multiplied each and every element of the matrix.
All the element.
Each and right. The scalar is multiplied each and every element of the matrix. That means what? 2 into 0. Right. 2 into 0 4 3 2 is equal to 2 into 0. Each and every element. 2 into 4. 2 into 3. into 2. Okay, this element is multiplied every element of the matrix. So 2 into 0, 2 into 4, 2 into 3, 2 into 2. What is 2 into 0? 0. 2 into 4 is 8. 2 into 3 is 6. 4. So 0864 is the answer. 2A is what? 0864. Right. Next, 3B. So 3 into B. So 3B is equal to 3 into what is the B matrix? 1, 0, 3 minus 1. So that is equal to, so 3 is multiplied each element of the matrix, 3 into 1, 3 into 0, 3 into 3, 3 into minus 1. So that is 3 into 1, 3, 3 into 0, 0, 3, 3 is 9, 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. So 3, 0, 9 minus 3 is the value of 3B. Okay? Right. So 3B వచ్చేసింది, 2A వచ్చేసింది. Then we have to find 2A plus 3B. Okay? Right. So 2A plus 3B equals to, what is 2A value? 0864.
Yes.
Okay. So 2A plus 3B equals to 2A is 0864 plus 3B value 309 minus 3. Then adding these. First element 0 plus 3.
0 plus 3.
8 plus 0.
8,
Next,
10, 11, 12, 13, 16.
next element.
15. 15.
15, 15. 15, 1.
15. Next 4 minus 3, 1. 1. So 15, 1 is the answer. Right. This is the answer. 3, 8, 15, 1. Next. Same, but order change. In previous